doesn't tip over.
Yeah, I can control it right.
Yeah, keep it nice.
I was like, I got the master.
Let's see, good battery and good memory on both of them. They seem
all right, guys.
Secure-ish.
Dara, you can turn it on. Just push it about halfway.
You turn it all the way.
Oh, you can turn it all the way.
Crash.
What happened?
It hit
Oh, it hit that.
the overhang.
That'll look cool on the camera though.
There we go. Take out the camera.
Okay, I think we have it now.
Okay, try it.
Alright, let's try it. Okay, you can open it.
No, not too fast, not too fast. Nice and slow.
I got it.
Will it clear? Will it clear? Oh, just barely.
That was so... And then on that one?
Barely clear. Nice.
Now you can run the other one, the big one.
Okay, now you can do this one.
Turn it full bore.
Just turn it all the way and just let it go.
Oh, it probably won't go. I cleaned the wheels all up on it the other day.
This is going to be a lot of fun to upload this place to the computer and everything around it.
And are they filming right now? Even though there's nothing showing on the screen?
Right, no, that's just so you can like have the whole setting left and it turns off to save battery.
Okay, I just like, I wanted to make sure to like...
Oh no, you can see the red lights blinking. It's recording all of this, yeah. Doing the battery. The battery. Watch out, you got a drink on the way. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna leave it off. And then we're gonna let Malachi stand there.
Because it might.
I don't know if it'll fit crossways on there or not, because that's pretty narrow.
Well, we can pull it up to it, and if it looks like it won't clear, we'll just.
This one.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Well,
And it won't back up.
oh.
Will it make it through, or did it just stop?
It stopped there.
Okay.
I'll show you how to get it back. That's the way you get it back.
After like 2 more laps of this, I'll take that off and we can get some footage of it like again right here and doing that. See, they're looking crazy. That foam.
Like in foam insulation, like you spray.
Pretty good. A lot of people make Warhammer 40K stuff and stuff. I just make it a little more refined to just do the same strategies.
Yeah.
They do
Why this
foam
stuff?
insulation, chicken wires like that. And it makes stuff that looks like real terrain with it. It's just, yeah, so
How come this one ain't going?
I don't know.
Did you stop it?
No, it just
Just
stopped.
stop the screen. So. She's got it.
I don't know. I tried to turn the wheel up. I use it. It's all done up. But I think I'm going to have to run power now. You know, if you control it right, it would be fun because I think that pole hopper will support it.